Have you ever wanted to edit your videos while you're on the go? In this app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your YouTube channel from anywhere at any time, right from your mobile phone. The YouTube Studio app enables you to update your video details, respond to comments, edit your videos, and more. Let's go to the computer and I'll show you how to use it to manage your channel. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of using the YouTube Studio app. You can manage your YouTube channel on the go from anywhere and any time. Track the performance of your channel and videos. Update your video details, including your titles, descriptions, custom thumbnail images, and monetization settings. Create and update your account profile pictures. Add videos to a playlist. Manage your playlists. Get notifications about important moments on your channel, which I'll show you later. Reply to comments. View search phrases to double down on or grow your channel. Ability to check multiple YouTube accounts from one app, and you can switch between accounts. Contact YouTube. This app shouldn't be confused with the YouTube app, which is primarily used for just watching videos. Hey, if you like the content so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified about new content like this every week. So how do you get the YouTube Studio app installed on your phone? You can go to the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, and you can go to the App Store if you have an iOS device like the iPhone. Let's take a look at the account settings once you've installed the app. All you have to do is click on the top right icon to go to the account settings. Once you're inside the account page, you'll see the settings, send feedback, help, or you can go straight to YouTube. On the settings page, you can set up notifications for comments. You can get notified for push notifications. You can also send feedback to YouTube as a way to contact YouTube. Alternatively, if you remember the YouTube Partner Program, you'll be able to get contact support via live chat and email. And here we've got some popular questions such as YouTube Studio app basics, change your privacy settings, edit video settings, etc. Let's look at the first screen, which is the quick view. You've got the dashboard, videos, playlists, comments, and analytics. So at the top here, I've got the menu icon, which takes you to different screens. You got the notifications icon. You get notifications about comments, etc. If you tap on the profile icon, then this will take you to the account settings, which I showed you previously. And then you also got comments, which you can reply to. So on the videos tab, we got all the videos here. We got all the playlists, and then you can also go to the analytics tab. Let me ask you a question. Do you use the YouTube Studio app to monitor your channel on the go? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Let's take a look at the YouTube Studio dashboard screen. We've got the dashboard, which shows you your analytics, watch time, views, subscriber change, and your estimated revenue, all within the last 28 days. If you tap View More, you'll be able to see the channel analytics overview. You also got your latest video performance. You've got the ranking by views. You've got the number of views that the video's got. You got your average view duration, which is basically the same as watch time, like how much engagement you got for the video. And you've got your watch time, so how much time was people watching the video. You've also got your videos, and if you click View More, then you can see your latest uploads, live streams, and you can sort them by visibility and views. You've also got your comments, which you can reply to. Now we're going to take a look at the channel analytics overview. So this is going to show an overview of your analytics. You also got another tab, which is the revenue tab, discovery tab, and the audience tab. So in the overview tab, we've got real-time views. We've got real-time views, last published videos. We've got watch time. We've got views in the last 28 days. Average view duration, your estimated revenue in the last 28 days. Number of subscribers in the last 28 days. The watch time from subscribers, which includes not subscribed and those that have subscribed. We've also got likes and dislikes, top videos, and you can also get notifications about important moments on your channel. Under real-time views, your last published videos, you can see the titles of the videos. On the top videos, you've got the titles of your top videos. Next is the revenue tab, which shows you the revenue for your channel. You got estimated revenue. You got ad types, skippable video ads, display ads, bumper ads, etc. You also got your top earning videos in the last 28 days, and also you have your top geographies by CPM, which is the cost per thousand views. As you can see, most of my top earning videos
come from viewers in the United States, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and Germany. The next tab is the Discovery tab. Under your Discovery tab, you've got the Impressions, which is where your thumbnail is surfaced to other people's watch pages. You've got the Impressions click-through rate, which is where people have clicked on your thumbnail and watched your video. You've got your traffic source types, such as external traffic sources, YouTube search, suggested videos, etc. You got your top external traffic sources, which may include Google search and the different search engines. You also got the top YouTube search terms, which comes in really handy if you want to double down and create more videos of videos that are getting a lot of traffic. You've also got top videos that are suggesting your content. So these are the top videos where people are finding your videos through suggested videos. You've also got your top playlists, which are playing your content. The next tab is the Audience tab. This includes the gender, age, top geographies, such as the United States and India, and then the top subtitles and closed captions. The next tab is the Interactive Content tab, which shows the teaser clicks per card teaser shown. This is where you got a card that shows a small blurb at the top of your video. So when people click on it, then they get taken to that particular video. You've got clicks per card shown, top cards, clicks per clickable annotation shown, then top videos by annotation clicks. So this is when people click on the annotation that plays on your video. The next tab is the Playlist tab. This shows a number of times that your playlists were viewed, the video views in the playlists, average time in the playlist, your top playlists. Here's all the playlists, and you can click on any of these to edit your playlist. So you can change the title, the description, and the visibility, such as public, private, or unlisted. You can also order the videos in the playlists manually. The next tab is the Channel Comments tab, where you can reply to comments just using the YouTube Studio app on your phone. So you can reply to comments, like the comments, dislike the comments, heart the comments. If you click on the three dots next to the comments, then you can remove the comment, report it as spam, hide the user from the channel. You can also check the comments that are held for review. If you see a number on the top right of your screen in the dashboard, this is the number of push notifications that you've received. If you tap it, then you'll be able to see all the comments that you need to reply to. If you tap the three lines on the screen in notifications, this will clear all your notifications. You can also set notifications for all your comments. You can set it to receive all comments, important comments, or no comments. You can also enable push notifications. The next tab is your channel videos. Here you've got your uploads and your live streams. You can sort them by most recent, most viewed, visibility such as public, private, unlisted, schedule, and draft. And you also got the views. Another thing you can do is you can search for a particular video or stream. So if you want to search for a particular video, you can just tap the search icon and just enter the title of the video, and it'll take you straight to that video. Now, if you want to check an individual video performance or edit the video, then you can just tap on the video. Under video performance, we've got ranking by views. We've got the number of views, average view duration, and watch time. So if you see these little green icons with the arrows pointing up, that means this video is doing better than the previous video. So under average view duration, this is beating the previous video, and watch time, getting a higher watch time than my previous video. If you tap on video analytics, it'll take you to the analytics for that specific video. If you tap the pencil icon, then you can edit the video. So you can edit the title, you can edit the description, you can change the visibility from public to private, etc. You can change monetization from on to off. You can check if it's made for kids, not made for kids. You can add the video to a playlist, and you can also add or change the tags. You can also edit the thumbnail on your phone. So all you have to do is to upload a particular thumbnail to your phone, then change it or replace it with the one that's on your phone. You can also check the individual analytics for that particular video. So on the Overview tab, you'll see the real-time views, got watch time, number of views for that video, your estimated revenue for the video, audience retention, likes, top traffic sources, which is like YouTube search, external, browse features, notifications. Then if you tap on any of these boxes like audience retention, then it'll give you a more detailed view. So in this audience retention here, you can see the graph. It gets you the average view duration, average percentage viewed. So this video got 40.3% average percentage viewed. So that's a pretty good watch time for this particular video. Next, we go to the individual video analytics discovery tab. And in this discovery tab, we see the number of impressions click-through rate, the traffic source types, the top external sources for this particular video. We've also got the top YouTube search terms for this particular video, and then also the search terms that are being suggested for this video. And we've also got top playlists that are playing this video. We can also go to the audience tab for individual video analytics. We check the audience, which is gender, age, top geographies, top subtitles, and closed captions. See, the top geographies for this video is India, because it's talking about the shorts videos where YouTube rolled out shorts videos to India. We also have interactive content for an individual video. This is the teaser clicks per card teaser shown, the clicks per card shown, and the clicks per clickable annotation shown. So if a viewer makes it to the end of the video and clicks and watches the next video, that's a good sign that you're getting a high watch time for this particular video. Now, another thing you can do with the YouTube Studio app is turn on dark mode if you're on Android and change it to dark mode by using the settings on your camera if you're on iOS. So the whole purpose of turning on dark mode is that you reduce the glare and improve the night viewing. So on Android, you turn on the dark theme in the settings. So you got light here and you got dark. And on iOS, you just go to the camera settings, look for display brightness and select dark. And here you got like the dark mode showing notifications and appearance. Let's take a look at some of the best practices when viewing your analytics on the YouTube Studio app. YouTube says you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. So if you get a high click-through rate and a high watch time, that's actually the best for getting your videos suggested on other people's watch pages. You should also aim for a high click-through rate that's between 2 and 10%. The higher the better. So if you get over 10% for your click-through rate, then there's a high probability that your video will do well and suggested. Just keep in mind that you often get a high click-through rate when your subscribers watch your video when it first goes out of the gate. Later on, when your video is surfaced to a wider audience, then your click-through rate drops, and then it might rise again as it's surfaced to other people's videos. You also want to double down on high-performing videos. So if you get a lot of traffic for your videos, then you want to double down on that particular video by creating another video that approaches a topic from a different angle. You can also improve your watch time and session time by creating a video series. Session time refers to how long somebody stays on the YouTube platform. So if they're binge watching a series of your videos, then people will stay longer on the YouTube platform. You also want to keep viewers coming back for more of your content by making videos on topics that they're interested in. So if you get a high traffic video, try to approach the topic from a different angle so your viewers will come back to watch more of your content on your channel. If you want to learn more about how to use YouTube Analytics to grow your YouTube channel, watch the video on the screen right now. This video will show you the top 10 YouTube Analytics you should check right now.